Here I have the brake buddy. There is a slot in here where you require a 90-degree bend in the metal, where you slide the metal through, and then it'll force the metal into these rollers, which will create the pattern. Adjustment is easy. They have laser engraved measurements here, and to adjust it, you simply loosen the handle a bit, and then you can slide it in and out. We'll be making a window capping detail that I've used in the past for clients. And for this bend, I will set it at 3 inches there. And so once I set it at 3 inches, tighten the handle, and you can see I can hit it and it's not gonna move. So now let's go ahead and make a piece of that window trim. First off, we are going to start off with a 90-degree bend. Now the brake buddy, maximum height is 1.5 inches, so you don't want your first bend to be taller than 1.5 inches. For this case, I will start with a 3/4 inch bend, which is right there on the brake, and I will do a 90-degree bend. Once you have the 90-degree bend, you want to move it out and clamp it again. The important thing to note is you have to make sure there's room so that the roller does not hit the brake. So there's lots of room, and we'll make sure there's lots of room here. It's not going to hit the brake. I'm going to slide the slot through the metal, and once you slide it through, you want to keep constant pressure against this edge. That's what keeps your ribs straight, and you can grab anywhere on this handle. I prefer to grab on the rear so I can exert more force. The other hand can go on this other handle and slide through in one continuous motion, keeping pressure against the 90-degree bend. You'll see this nice ridge that it's created, and once there's a miter, it frames it out really nice. Ribs add strength to your metal, so that's why you can add an architectural detail as well as add strength to prevent the metal from waving.